Well, if you missed any of tonight's performances, don't worry, we got you. Here's a quick recap. Take a look.
Let everything that has breath praise him. Let everything that has breath praise him. Let everything that has breath praise him. Bless his holy name. Every trap the enemy sets, but it won't work. That's work. Everybody run, come, make we do the soca dance. Everybody run, come, make we do the soca dance. And I told you twice, but sweet nanny goats are gonna run in belly good. And now I feel those pains taking over.